Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lundbreck Falls is a stunning waterfall located on the Crowsnest River, in southern Alberta. The falls drop about 39 feet into a deep pool below, creating a picturesque scene that's easily accessible to visitors. You can enjoy views from observation platforms, or take a short trail down into the limestone gorge for a closer look. Interpretive signs along the way share insights into the area's ancient history and fossils. The falls are a great spot for picnicking, fishing, and photography. There's also a nearby campground for those who wish to stay longer. Just a short distance from the falls is the hamlet of Lundbreck. Established in 1907, Lundbreck began as a coal mining town and quickly grew to a population of about 1,000 people. However, after the coal mines closed, the population decreased. Today, Lundbreck is a small community with a rich history. The name Lundbreck comes from two early settlers, Lund and Breckenridge, who were involved in the local coal mining industry. In summary, Lundbreck and Lundbreck Falls provide a blend of natural beauty and historical significance. Whether you're interested in outdoor activities, local history, or simply enjoying scenic views, this area has something to offer.
Thanks for watching!